TE Connectivity's Measurement Specialties 85UHP pressure sensor is a compact pressure sensor engineered for the most demanding ultra-high purity applications in semiconductor manufacturing. The sensor features a high-performance MEMS piezo-resistive chip housed in a robust 316L stainless steel or alloy C276 module filled with silicon oil. Pressure is transferred via a thin, corrugated diaphragm on the front face, ensuring excellent media isolation. This media-compatible, weldable, compact design delivers wetted surfaces with optimized roughness for ultra-high purity and vacuum environments, offering longer process life than TE's standard 85 ISO capsule. This pressure sensor offers flexible configuration with optional compensated or uncompensated output options. It delivers excellent high vacuum stability down to 10 to the -3 Pascal. With superior long-term stability of just 0.1 span per year, the sensor ensures reliable, drift-minimized performance over extended use. Its compact 13mm diaphragm diameter supports precise absolute pressure measurement. Harnessing TE Connectivity's cutting-edge MEMS technology, the 85UHP pressure sensor provides outstanding precision, high stability, and proven reliability, perfectly suited for ultra-high purity semiconductor applications such as gas cabinets, mass flow controllers, high purity gas delivery systems, and advanced pressure and flow control. Discover how to optimize your new product designs at Mouser.com.